The bottom of our world is a frozen desert of white snow and jagged blue ice. For centuries, Antarctica has remained the most mysterious and dangerous continent on the entire planet. It is a place where the freezing wind screams at 100 miles per hour and the temperature can freeze a human in seconds. But in the year 2026, something strange is happening beneath the thick frozen crust of this lonely land. Advanced satellites circling the Earth have detected massive heat signatures coming from deep underground. Powerful ground-penetrating radar is revealing structures that look like straight lines and perfect right angles. Scientists are beginning to realize that the history books might be completely wrong about our past. The vast ice sheets are melting at an alarming rate and exposing secrets that have been hidden for millions of years. What exactly are the world powers hiding in the forbidden zones of the South Pole? Is Antarctica just a block of ice, or is it the tomb of a lost civilization that once ruled the world? The story begins with the ancient maps that defy all logical explanation. The famous Piri Reis map shows the coastline of Antarctica without any ice at all. This map was drawn hundreds of years before the continent was officially discovered by modern explorers. It shows green forests and flowing rivers where today there's only solid white glaciers. This suggests that humans might have lived on this continent when it was a warm tropical paradise. In 2026, geologists have discovered fossilized palm trees and ancient pollen trapped inside the deep ice cores. The evidence is clear that Antarctica was once a lush green world filled with exotic life. But the mystery goes much deeper than just the plants and the changing climate. Deep in the mountain ranges of the Ellsworth Mountains, there are peaks that look exactly like stone pyramids. These giant triangular shapes have four smooth sides that face the four cardinal directions of the compass. Geologists claim they are just natural rock formations created by millions of years of heavy erosion. But many independent researchers believe these are the remains of monumental architecture built by a forgotten race. The scale of these pyramids is much larger than the Great Pyramid of Giza in the dry sands of Egypt. If these are truly man-made structures, it would mean that a highly advanced society existed long before recorded history. The massive ice sheets act like a time capsule protecting these ruins from the outside world. In the modern age, the secrets are guarded by the Antarctic Treaty, which limits what regular people can do. The continent is divided into restricted zones where no private citizen is allowed to enter. Military transport planes fly in and out of secret bases like the McMurdo Station under the cover of darkness. Whistleblowers have reported seeing massive metal doors built into the side of the icy mountains. They speak of huge underground tunnels that lead miles into the warm core of the Earth. Some believe that powerful governments are testing secret energy weapons in the isolation of the South Pole. Others think that the ice is hiding an ancient technology that could change the future of the human race. The natural wonders of Antarctica are just as strange as the conspiracy theories. At the Taylor Glacier, a waterfall of deep red liquid pours out from the white ice. This is known as the Blood Falls, and it looks like a scene from a terrifying horror movie. Scientists have found that the red color comes from ancient iron-rich salt water trapped in a subglacial lake. This water has been isolated from light and oxygen for more than 2 million years. Inside this dark, salty water lives a unique community of microbes that eat minerals to survive. This proves that life can exist in the most extreme conditions without the help of the golden sun. It gives us hope that we might find alien life in the frozen oceans of Jupiter's moon, Europa. As the year 2026 progresses, the melting ice is revealing even more shocking anomalies. A massive gravity anomaly has been detected in the region known as Wilkes Land. It is a huge metal object buried 2 miles beneath the ice, and it is hundreds of miles wide. Some researchers believe it is a massive asteroid that hit the Earth and wiped out the dinosaurs. But others suggest it could be a giant craft or metallic base from another world. The mystery of Wilkes Land remains one of the greatest unsolved puzzles of modern science. The race for Antarctica is now a silent war between the world's most powerful nations. They're not just looking for oil and minerals, but for the hidden knowledge of the past. The thick ice is a silent witness to the rise and fall of unknown empires. As the world gets warmer, the mask of the continent is slowly slipping away. We are standing on the edge of a discovery that could shatter our understanding of human origin. The secrets of Antarctica are finally coming to the light after eons of cold darkness. We must be prepared for the truth that is buried beneath the frozen silence of the South Pole. The year 2026 will be remembered as the moment the ice finally spoke. The truth is out there, and it is colder and more mysterious than we ever imagined.